All right, so what does LBV stand for? Is it last bottle vintage? Is it late bottle vintage? Is it the latest bottle vintage, or is it long bottle vintage? I thought about putting one in there called Liz Bottle Vintage, but I was being good. And I'm going to guess most of our students are going to get this one correct.
And you are correct. Everyone going for late bottle vintage on their answer for this one.
Correct. It is late bottle vintage. Okay, so does unfiltered LBV port improve in the bottle? This is just a yes or no question.
Okay, so we have two camps. We have yes and we have no. So they're equally spread, right? And Gabriele says yes, not as a vintage. And then we have Scott who says no, Tara who says no. We have Devore who says yes, Shirley saying yes. Al, the first one to answer yes. So is it the yeses or the nos?
It's yes. These actually can improve in the bottle, and a lot of it's because of the high level of sugars, the high level of tannins. You know, the tannins are going to drop out as they age, or reduce, I should say, not drop out. And you're going to get more tertiary aromas, but they can improve in bottle. Now, I wouldn't hang on to them as long as like a vintage port for aging, but they still can improve in the bottle. So I didn't expect that to be quite so divided of a question, but that was kind of neat.